Hi, I am Faisal, and in this video tutorial, I will explain how to install Jupyter Notebook in Pydroid. So let's get started. Open the Pydroid app and then go to hamburger menu, and from there go to pip. From pip go to quick install, and in quick install go to Jupyter, and in front of Jupyter press the install option. Okay. Let's see what it says. An additional plugin is required to install libraries from Quick Install repository. Let's get the plugin, and it is asking for Pydroid repository plugin. Press install. It will take a while. It's downloading first. You need the internet connection in order to download it and use it. Now installing. It is installed. Let's go back to the um, Pydroid, and I guess it is downloading and installing the required libraries. Now notebook is downloading. Basically, it is composed of many packages. That's why it's taking time. And you can see their update log. There is a error that pip legacy dependency resolver does not contain dependency conflict. When selecting package, this behavior is the source of the following dependency conflict. Let me check the quick install menu and see. I'm not sure what's going on. Let's see the libraries. So here I have Jupyter client, NB client, notebook. I think these libraries are installed. Let's go back. Let's make use of Jupyter notebook. Let me give a try. I'll go to terminal. In the terminal, I'll type Jupyter space notebook. Hit enter. My browser is open, and in browser, I can make use of Jupyter notebook. So let me go to new Python. Here, type the commands. Like the first command in Jupyter should be print, open the bracket, quotes, hello world, exclamation, quotes close and bracket close. Let's run the code by pressing the run option. And here we have a result. That's how you can open Jupyter Notebook using Pydroid 3. Thank you.